guys, my name's Sian Monaghan and today we're looking at the Arcadia birch kit in grey strata. So on this kit we've got rack toms that are 10x7 and 12x8 with a 16x16 floor tom, a 22x16 kick, and the snare is a 14x6.5. We're also using the Arcadia hardware pack. So this birch kit's nice and punchy, it's 6-ply, and yeah, the toms really kick, give you a nice bright sound. This kit was designed in the UK and features the unique Natal Sun lugs. The bass drum comes with 10 tuning lugs as opposed to the usual 8. This is a great mid-range kit. It's sturdy, it sounds punchy, and it can be used in a range of genres.